Hello students, welcome back. Let's go to exercise 17a, 45th problem. In this figure, AE is the diameter of the circle. We have to write down the numerical value of angle ABC plus angle CDE. Angle ABC, this angle, and angle CDE, this angle. Now let us join AD and BE. Now angle ABC is equal to what? Angle ABE plus angle CBE. Angle ABE plus angle CBE. Angle CDE is equal to angle EDA plus angle CDA. Let angle CBE is equal to X and angle CDA is equal to Y. Now angle ABC is equal to 90 plus X. Why 90? Angle ABE is an angle in the semicircle, therefore angle ABE is equal to 90 degree. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree plus X. AB is equal to 90 degree plus X. CB is equal to X. Angle EDA is equal to, similarly angle EDA is equal to 90 degree, angles in the semicircle. Angle EDA is equal to 90 degree plus angle CDA is equal to Y. Now let us take the quadrilateral ADCB. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, the opposite angles are supplementary. Angle ABC plus angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC plus angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Angle ABC is equal to what? Angle ABC is equal to 90 plus X. 90 plus X. Plus angle CDA is equal to Y is equal to 180. Therefore X plus Y is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So X plus Y is equal to 90 degree. Now angle ABC plus angle CDE is equal to what? 90 plus X plus 90 plus Y. So angle ABC plus angle CDE is equal to 90 plus X plus 90 plus Y. Let this be 1 from 1. Let this be 2. So X plus Y is equal to what? 90. X plus Y is equal to 90. This 90 plus this 90. Angle ABC plus angle CDE is equal to what? 270 degree. 46th problem. In this figure, AOC is the diameter and AC is parallel to ED. If angle CBE is equal to 64 degree, we have to calculate angle DEC, this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. This is one angle. Let us make another angle in the same segment. So this will be equal to this. Now angle ABC is the angle in the semicircle. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. But angle ABC is equal to angle ABE plus angle CBE. Angle ABE plus angle CBE. So this is equal to 90 degree. Angle CBE is equal to 64 given. Therefore, angle ABE is equal to 90 minus 64, that is 26. Angle ABE is equal to 26 degree. This angle ABC, angle AB is equal to 26 degree. Now angle ABE is equal to angle ACE. Angles of the same segment. Therefore angle ACE is equal to 26 degree. Angle ACE is equal to angle DEC. Alternate angles. It is given that AC is parallel to ED. Therefore alternate angles are equal. Angle ACE is equal to 26 degree. Therefore angle DEC is equal to what? 26 degree. 47th problem. In this figure we have to find angle BAD. Angle BAD and angle DQB. Now ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles are supplementary. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 85. That is 95. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So this is 40, this is 55. 55 plus 40 is equal to 95 degree. Therefore angle BCP is equal to 55 degree. So angle DCQ is equal to what? Is equal to 55 degree. Why? Vertical opposite angles. This is 85, this is 95. Linear pair. So angle DQB. This angle is equal to what? 95 plus 55 is equal to what? 95 plus 55. 150. 180 minus 150. Angle sum property. 30 degree. Now let us find angle BAD. This angle. In triangle QAB, 95 plus 30 is equal to what? 95 plus 30 is equal to 125. 180 minus 125. 55 degree. Angle BAD is equal to 55 degree and angle DQB is equal to 30 degree. 48th problem. In this figure, AOB is a diameter and DC is parallel to AB. If angle CAB is equal to x degree, find in terms of x the values of angle COB, angle DOC, angle DAC and angle ADC. If CB is a chord, angle COB is made at the center. O is the center given. And angle CAB is the angle made by the same chord on the circumference. Therefore angle COB is equal to twice angle CAB. Angle CAB is equal to x, therefore angle COB is equal to 2x. Now angle DOC. OA is equal to OC, radii of this circle. Therefore triangle OAC is an isosceles triangle. Angle OCA is equal to x. Since DC is parallel to AB, the alternate angles are equal. Therefore angle DCA is equal to angle CAB. So both are x. Now angle DOA is the angle at the center and angle DCA is angle on the circle made by the same chord AD. Therefore angle DOA is twice the angle DCA. Therefore this is also equal to 2x. This is x and this is 2x. Now we want angle DOC. This angle we want. This angle is equal to 180 minus 2x plus 2x. 180 minus 2x plus 2x. That is 180 minus 4x. Angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 4x. Now we want angle DAC. Now DC is a chord which makes angle DOC at the center and angle DAC on the circumference. Therefore, angle DOC is twice angle DAC, or angle DAC is half of angle DOC. Angle DAC is equal to half of angle DOC. DOC is equal to 180 minus 4x. Half of 180 minus 4x. This is equal to 180 upon 2 minus 4x upon 2. So this is 90 minus 2x. So angle DAC is equal to 90 minus 2x. Now we have to find angle ADC. In triangle ADC, angle ADC plus angle DAC plus angle DCA is equal to 180 degree. So angle ADC is equal to 180 minus angle DAC minus angle DCA. These two go to the other side and becomes minus minus. 180 minus angle DAC is equal to 90 minus 2x minus angle DCA. Angle DCA is equal to x. So 180 minus 90 plus 2x minus x. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. 2x minus x is equal to x. Angle ADC is equal to 90 plus x.